All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at Seismic bass with the Logic Pro Studio bass player. And yeah, let's just check it right out here. This is a pretty cool bass amp plugin, not just amp, but lots of features, effects, cabinets, all that fun stuff. Also, please do check out my channel. I have hundreds of other videos in my back catalog, a lot of Logic Pro stuff in here as well, a lot of free VSTs. Check it out. Please do subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. And let's check this thing out. All right, so this is the Seismic bass plugin by the Modern Metal Songwriter. And we have all kind of things in here. We'll go over this really quick. We got a noise gate, we got a tuner, we got an EQ beforehand. We got different contours for the bass amp here. We have basically three amps running at once here, and we can blend them together. They each have their own compression. They each have their own amounts. We have amp 1, 2, and 3, and then DI. Basically, the amp settings are a little more aggressive every amp level you go up. So amp 1 is going to be less, 2 more, 3 distortion, you know, that kind of thing. Input gain is, I guess, is the right word. And then we have different controls over here. We have Quake, which is for the low end. We also have an enhance for the high end. We also have an equalizer for the final mix as well. We got our effects here. We got fuzz, overdrive, compressor, ultra distortion. These can be rearranged. These look like very familiar pedals that they might be modeled off of, which they probably are. And then we have post effects as well, modulation, chorus, another EQ. And then our cabinet here, we have two cabinets that we can blend together, and we can turn them off, on, whatever. We got a couple choices here, 4x10 and a 1x15. And then of course we have a bunch of presets for all kinds of things. And let's just check it out here. So in Logic, I mean, this obviously works with other basses and live bass guitar as well, but we're going to turn off all the effects they got here on Logic. We'll play it beforehand. Let's play it as default. That's the standard Logic way. And then we'll just mute all that, and we'll run this effects processor here. Maybe go through some presets. Amp 1. So as you can see, we're getting a lot of that really nice, heavy, distorted kind of sound. Okay, so we got a preset here, and we'll just throw on some effects. And by the way, we have these crossover points that we could do here, or we could do here, of where the amp and the EQ is playing. Now this is great because a lot of music production, when you're working with live bass, sometimes you're using the DI sound, sometimes you're using the DI sound with the live bass amp sound. So this is kind of just blending all that together, and we have our cabinet over here where we could blend these two different cabinets together. cabs, different levels, different position of the microphone. And of course, all the different presets. Now, this is, designed for rock and metal, but you can use it on some non-rock and metal, if you will, pop music. It's just a bass amp, designed for rock and metal, but we can get all kinds of sounds from here. We don't turn off the distortion and overdrive and stuff. Let's try it on some slap bass or something. All right, so let's try it on a more calm bass line, if you will. Now, of course, we can use all of Logic's stuff here too and get some crazy sounds, but just demonstrating some other sounds you can get using just one plugin and really quickly, and if you're not just using Logic, obviously, you could use this for other basses as well. But since today's video is on Logic, anyways, so let's just check this out the Logic way first. We got that. Let's go for like a clean one here. Clean grit, let's check that out. That's pretty nice. So pretty cool. I'm gonna make some other videos on this plugin with some real bass guitar and other things. Let me know what you think. Check it out. There's just a quick demo today here using Logic Pro Bass Player and the Pro, what's it called? Studio Bass, if you will. Yeah, that is all for now. I will talk to you soon.